friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making a honey cake. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For this easy honey cake, here are the ingredients we need: vegetable oil, honey, brown sugar, eggs, flour, vanilla, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. And we also need some water. So now I'm going to spray a loaf pan with a non-stick cooking spray. So this honey cake is shaped like a loaf. And you can grease it with butter or spray with a cooking spray, whatever way you like, but just basically we want to make sure honey cake doesn't stick to our pan. So I'm just going to use cooking spray. Spray the bottom and sides of the pan very well. And now once I've prepared my pan, I'm going to mix the ingredients. So in my mixing bowl, I'm going to whisk 2 eggs. And now I'm going to add half a cup of brown sugar and mix it together with the egg. And now I'm going to add more liquid ingredients. So I'm going to add 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And next, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of honey. So in this measuring cup, I use the oil first, so it keeps the honey from sticking to the cup. So I'm going now measure 1/2 cup of honey. And add it to the bowl. So see, the honey comes right out because there was oil there before. And I will also add 1/2 cup of water. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And now I'm going to mix the liquid ingredients together. And now I'm going to add the dry ingredients. So I'm going to add 1 1/4 cup of flour. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. One teaspoon of baking powder. One teaspoon of cinnamon. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now I will mix everything together. And now once you mix it together, let's pour it in a loaf pan. Now the honey cake is ready to be baked. So let's put it in the oven. So again, it was preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's bake this cake. Now the honey cake has been baking for 45 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and it's ready. Let's take a look. Look how good it looks. So big and so nicely browned. And please test it with a toothpick to make sure it's cooked through. So I'm going to insert it in the thickest part in the middle and touch. So if it comes out clean, it's ready. So mine is ready. But if yours is not baked all the way through, just return to the oven for an additional 5 or 10 minutes until it's fully cooked. So now I'm going to let it cool down for 30 minutes or until cooled, and then I'll slice it and try it. Now the honey cake has cooled down, so I'm ready to try it. So excited. So I'm going to take it out of the loaf pan onto a platter. Perfect. And now just flip it over. So the honey cake tends to bake dark. It's not burned, it's just honey caramelizes. So this is, you know, don't think it's burned, it's not. It's just the way honey cakes are. And it's nice and soft. And now let's slice it. Look at that. It's a perfect loaf. So let me just show you, they're super soft and it feels so moist. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. Delicious. This is a moist, tender crumb, amazing texture and deep honey flavor. You will love this honey cake and it was so easy to make. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!